Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to grow your hair longer and faster using onion juice. This remedy has to be used in 2 different steps and it works perfectly when you use it in these 2 different steps. Grow your hair with onion. The first thing you have to do is to get your onion. Red onion preferable. I prefer using red onion because it has all the necessary sulfur that will help to grow hair, prevent hair breakage and stop hair fall. In terms of hair growth and stopping hair breakage, use red onion. White onion also works, but red onions works. Once you have cut it into pieces, then you have to put it inside a blender. Remember, you'll be doing this into 2 different steps for it to work. Then blend this onion, blend it well. The sulfur in onion helps and it works to grow long hair and thick hair. Strain after you have blended your onion. Strain needs to extract the juice of the onion. After you have strained it, then you have to use this onion, use a cotton wool, apply it on your hair scalp for hair growth. Leave it on your hair for 1 hour. After you have left this for 1 hour, then you head to the next step. The next step is you have to get water, cold water, 1 cup or 1 to 2 cups of water, pour it inside a bowl, then add 3 to 4 teaspoons of onion juice you have just blended and strained inside the water you have got. Then use this water to rinse off the onion you have applied on your scalp. You repeat the process daily for hair growth. Please like this video, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.